Tag-ulan na nga kaya perfect to sa weather natin ngayon kasi ang sarap humigop ng mainit na sabaw. And we just found a perfect Japanese hot pot na may unlimited soup, unlimited meat that you can choose between pork, beef, and chicken. Only appetizers, side dishes, and vegetables. You can also enjoy unlimited sushi, chicken teriyaki, tempura, chicken karaage, gyudon, at marami pang iba for only 288 pesos upgrade. Dito nga lang yan sa Nabe Unlimited Japanese hot pot, and we visited their SM Bikutan branch located at upper ground level, building B. The starting rate is 588 pesos per person, unlimited na po yan. You can choose your own soup base na timplado na or pwede ka ring magtimpla depending on your preference. Meron nga lang exam dito kapag mag-o-order ka, pero once na na-serve na yung food, pwede ka na mag-start magluto. We mostly ordered beef and pork, and then pwede kayong mamili up to 2 kinds of soup base. So ganyan nga yung itsura kapag magluluto ka na. Inuna kong nilagay yung mga gulay, meatballs, then lastly yung meat. Sobrang na-enjoy nga namin dito kasi bukod sa napakagandang ambience ng store, napakasarap din ng mga pagkain. One of my favorite talaga is itong chicken karaage and yung California maki. Napakasarap mga mare. This is a must try. So if you're looking for a hot pot restaurant, try here at Nabe. Thank you guys for watching. Follow me for more travel, food, and lifestyle videos. Bye!